Get ready, start. The Election Commission of India is an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administering election processes in India at national, state, and district level. The body administers elections to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies, state legislative councils, and the offices of the President and Vice President of the country. The Election Commission operates under the authority of Constitution per Article 324 and subsequently enacted Representation of the People Act. The Commission has the powers under the Constitution to act in an appropriate manner when the enacted laws make insufficient provisions to deal with a given situation in the conduct of an election. Being a constitutional authority, Election Commission is amongst the few institutions which function with both autonomy and freedom along with the country's higher judiciary, the Union Public Service Commission, and the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. The commission was established in 1950 and originally only had a chief election commissioner. Two additional commissioners were appointed to the commission for the first time on 16 October 1989 on the eve of the 1989 general election, but they had a very short tenure ending on 1st January 1990. The Election Commissioner Amendment Act 1989 was adopted on 1st January 1990, which turned the commission into a multi-member body. A three-member commission has been in operation since then, and the decisions by the commission are made by a majority vote. The chief election commissioner and the two election commissioners, who are usually retired IS officers, draw salaries and allowances at par with those of the judges of the Supreme Court of India as per the chief election commissioner and other election commissioners conditions of service rules 1992. The commission is served by its secretariat located in New Delhi. The election commissioners are assisted by deputy election commissioners who are generally IS officers. They are further assisted by directors general, principal secretaries and under secretaries. At the state level, election commission is assisted by the chief electoral officer of the state, who is an IS officer of principal secretary rank. At the district and constituency levels, the district magistrates, in their capacity as district election officers, electoral registration officers, and returning officers, perform election work. The chief election commissioners of India can be removed from their office similar to the removal of a judge of the Supreme Court of India, which requires a resolution passed by the Parliament of India, a two-thirds majority in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha on the grounds of proved misbehavior or incapacity. Other election commissioners can be removed by the President of India on the recommendation of the Chief Election Commissioners. A Chief Election Commissioner has never been impeached in India. In 2009, just before the 2009 Lok Sabha elections, Chief Election Commissioner N. Gopalswamy sent a recommendation to President Pratibha Patil to remove Election Commissioner Naveen Chawla, who was soon to take office as the Chief Election Commissioner, and to subsequently supervise the Lok Sabha election, a potential conflict of interest considering his partisan political party behavior. The president opined that such a recommendation is not binding on the President and hence rejected it. Subsequently, after Gopalswamy's retirement the next month, Chawla became the Chief Election Commissioner and supervised the 2009 Lok Sabha elections. Stop.